Hello everyone, let's look at how circular linked list works in DOM. First of all, let's look at how linked list works. Linked list consists of bunch of nodes linked together. Linked list connected to one direction, not two directions. Remember, one direction only. What happens if two directions, right? This is called double link, but we are talking about circular here. What about circular links? It is easy. We call first node head, last node tail. If we somehow connect them together, we create circular link, which is what we are going to do today. We have a node class which consists of a value. Let's create a node here. It has a value, previous attribute, and next attribute. We also circular link this class or function. This has head and tail. We can write here head and tail. This is our node. Let's call this one X. We connect first of all. First of all, we create our new node. This is our new node. Then we check. Let's see our add method of circular link list class. First of all, we check if the list is empty. If list is empty, that means we have no node. So we have to add one. So we call this that head is new node. We assign the head new node, and we also assign the tail new node. This looks like this. What happened if we added one before? So we think that let's assume we added here x. So we are gonna add a 5 value, right? So new node dot next, our new node which is y is exactly like this. Let's create here y dot next is this dot head. What was our this dot head? It was x. So let's put here our x. New node dot previous is dot tail. Also x, right? We somehow connected next and previous, so you see it's going to be circular. This tail dot next. Let's check out this tail. This tail was this tail was new node. New node was x, right? This tail dot next new node. So new node is here y. We have to connect here just like this. And last one, this tail new node. This tail we have to look here. If you remember, our tail is connected x before. We have to connect now y. We remove this pointer. We remove this pointer and attach it to our new node value, which is y. Actually, let's create our y node just like our x node. Right? This is our y node, which has previous and next values. Also value attributes here. Now our tail is connected to y, which means we can keep searching circular. Finally, we have to connect last thing, which is our tail and our head previous and our tail next value. Let's see here, come back. X was our first value, right? And Y was our tail. As you can see, we have to connect them together to create a circular functionality. So this dot head dot previous is going to be this dot tail, which is Y. Just like this. Actually, let's connect this one just like we did here. Of course, we are connecting to exactly the same, but like this, right? Y connecting X, X connecting Y, and they're both previous and next values also connecting. also pointing each other, so that we created our circular linked list, which is good. We created our new linked list, then added some values. Let's come back to our browser. We see there are 3 boxes I created and 3 colors, unique colors they have. You can see this code on GitHub. I will attach the link down below so you can check. What is going to be here? Each box, one by one, going to be activated after I commented out this code. After I activate this commented out code, each box is going to be updated. Before, let's console.log and see what am I trying to say, right? We can select our all 3 boxes with query selector all attribute. And after created our linked list class, we added 3 colors as a value, so each of their value will be unique. Let's see their value on console.log. First of all, let's comment out this code and just see their values. So what I am doing here, I create set interval. This function is going to be run simultaneously per second. It will select first not, then console log. It is value which is I assign it as a color, and it will pass the next value. How it will track? We created here index, assign it 0, and increment it each time we passed next node. But we have to check we reach the end of the node because we have to reset it so that index not going to be upbound. Index is not going to be out of bound. So we are checking current node. If current node is equal to my circular list.head, which means we are at the beginning, so we reset index value. We are coming back. So let's visualize here also. We have 3 nodes, pink, green, and blue. We set their circular linked list, so they are like this, right? They point each other. 0, 1, 2. After 2, it's going to be 0, and it will come back at the beginning again, and it will keep looping this. It will keep looping this until we exit from the browser because it is going to be forever. It's a looping process. It's basically the same thing. While loop, while through loop, it's gonna infinitely looping this code. So let's see first console.log, and then we will see its colors as well. Yes, they are getting, we see their values, right? Let's see in action their colors as well. There we go.